What up, YouTube? It's your boy DJ Ron the Mechanic back with another video. So today, I'm about to try out this new light. I'm pretty sure y'all done seen it to where it's supposed to light up your garage a whole lot better than a regular bulb. Just to show you what I'm talking about, this right here. So it's a light bulb that has 3 lights on it, which is supposed to give you a better viewing area, you know, pretty much lights up everything. See, like here it said, arriving home to a fully lit garage. So, okay, so this is what it looks like. Kind of like something from Star Wars a little bit. Nope. Kind of a little beefy little bottom, but it says it screws in just like a regular light bulb. I mean, it's kind of built pretty good though. All right. So evidently these are LEDs. You see, it's a good little bit of them. What it is, like 3, 6. So you're talking about 6 per row on each side. All right, and I'm gonna do a comparison just to see what it do. So right here I have just a regular little light bulb up here. This is a little LED bulb that I have on my ceiling fan in the garage. So I'm about to turn that light on and see how bright it get up in here. So I'm gonna turn off the garage light. I'm about to turn on. Okay. So y'all see how bright it is with that light, right? Okay. So we got a little shine up in here. So that's the regular bulb. All right, so I'm gonna cut that off. So now I'm about to change this one out and see if it live up to what it's talking about. All right, so let's take this down. So here's my regular bulb, pretty big size bulb, LED bulb. All right, so now I'm about to try this. Let's see. All right, fold this. And look how far this expands out. Look like a fan, but expands out pretty good though. So let's see. So all I'm doing is just screwing it in just like a regular light bulb. Okay. All right. So it's in there. All right. So this is what it looks like. So I have all 3 flat down. And of course, these here, you can adjust them. See that? You can adjust it to whatever area, evidently. All right. So let's fire it up. Let's see what we got. So I'm about to turn off the garage light. And let's turn this one on. Let's see what we get. You see how dark it is? Okay, now with it being flat down like that, okay, it's kind of dark back there. So let's raise that one up. Okay. Let's raise this one up. Let's raise this one up. All right. So tell me what y'all think. It looked like it covered a whole lot more area than that single bulb did. I'm like, my garage is really lit up because back here was really like a dark spot. I mean, you get pretty good lighting back here. Not bad at all. Like I say, the thing I like about this, see, you can angle it to where you want to. Watch. Now watch when I turn it down. See, when I move that light, see, it gets dark. Now when I aim it up, there we go. So it brightens that up. Okay. Not bad. So actually, that's like 3 bulbs in one. So really and truly, it gives you good light in dark spots to where your regular bulb don't shine. So not bad. Now this is the one with 3 lights on it. Now I have seen some. I think I have seen one with 5 lights on it. So I'm pretty sure that thing is lit. I'm gonna turn that off. So this is with just the regular garage light on. So y'all see how much light that gives. I mean, even though it's 2 lights up in there, but it's in a cover though. So it's not that much. As you can see, not that much. All right, let's turn that off. Matter of fact, no, I'm gonna leave that on and let's turn this on. Boom. Look how bright that is. And this is the 3 one here. So yeah, not bad at all, y'all. That's pretty good lighting for 3. So here it is. So it had 6,000 lumens on it. So that's pretty bright though. Yep. I like that. So I would definitely suggest, hey, if y'all have a light in your garage like I have, or either in your attic, hey, this right here would definitely give you more light than 1 bulb if you're going in the attic. And y'all know how that attic is up there. 1 light only shines for so far, but with this one here, you'll get pretty good lighting up there. Real good. So, yep. So that's it, y'all. On that light. So, hey, I like it. Hey, it came out pretty good. I mean, I can put like this. I won't have to use my little flashlight or my little auxiliary light anymore now for the get in certain spots, because this light here, this thing is bright. I really like it. So, hey, like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And thank to all my subscribers out there supporting me. Hey, I'll support y'all back too. Let's keep this thing rolling. Help one another. That's what we're supposed to do. Help everybody grow. So until the next project, hey, this DJ Ron the Mechanic, I'm out.